Welcome. In this demonstration, we will explore how to create, edit, and save a test plan using JMeter. Let's switch over to the Windows Explorer and open JMeter and see how we can create a new test plan. I have opened my JMeter folder in Windows Explorer. It's located in C drive on my system. I'm in the bin folder, and within the bin folder, I can go ahead and open JMeter by double clicking this Windows batch file. So I'm going to go ahead and double click that file. The JMeter is launching. Now the JMeter has successfully launched. By default, you will get one test plan. The name of the test plan is test plan itself. You can go ahead and change this test plan name and give it a meaningful name. For example, here I can give it a name as pet store load test plan underscore say 10 or say 30 users. It is recommended that you always give meaningful names to your test plans. Now I just created a test plan. We need to still save it. To save it, we can go to File and choose Save, or we can click the Save icon. Once you click the Save button, by default, the save location is the bin folder, but you can change it to any directory on your system. I'm going to save this in C drive in a folder called as JMeter demos, and the file name is same as my test plan name. I'd like to keep that. One thing to note over here is JMeter test plans will always have the extension .jmx. So the file which is generated for your JMeter test plan is going to have this extension .jmx. Let's click save to save this file. Now the test plan has been saved. We can go ahead and use this test plan. We can share it with someone if we want. We can also go ahead and do things like open an existing test plan. Let's say you want to open that existing test plan. To open it, you can go to again file menu and choose open, or you can click this open icon here and then browse through the directory on your file system and look for your test plan. Like here I am, just clicking on open will open this test plan. You can also go ahead and create some user-defined variables. User-defined variables allows you to store some values and use them in multiple places throughout your test. They increases the reusability. We can add a new user-defined variable by clicking on this add button that you see over here. We can just click this button and add a new user-defined variable. So let me click add. You need to give a variable name. So I can give a variable name, say domain. Let's say you are creating a test plan to test decisions.com and you want to use the word decisions.com at multiple places. I can store it into a variable. This is a user-defined name. You can name it whatever you want. And then the value for it, say decisions.com. So whenever I need this value decisions.com, I can refer to this variable. Similarly, let's say I want to reuse a port number. So I can say port underscore number, and the value for that maybe say 80. So whenever I need to refer to this value 80, I can always come back and refer to this user-defined variable. Whenever you want to access this value 80 anywhere in your test plans, you can always use this user-defined variable. We can add as many variables as you want. Maybe I can add one more, say username, and store the value, maybe say admin@decisions.com. And I can add one more if I want, say password. So you can go ahead and add as many variables as required for your test plan. It is also possible to delete a variable like this password. I would not like it to be present here, so I can go ahead and select it and click this delete button, which deletes the variable. So this is how you create your test plans. You can go ahead and add some variables in the test plans. You can also open existing test plans. And remember, whenever you make any changes to your test plan, you should also go ahead and save your test plan. I'll just save it. I don't need any of these variables for now, so I'm going to go ahead and delete all of them and save my test plan again. That's it for this demo. We will explore other test elements in the upcoming sessions.